Hi, this is Brad, and what I want to ask you to do is please turn off any distractions. If you have a TV in the room, turn off your cell phone, because I think a lot of people are not understanding just how powerful the BestEasyWork compensation plan is. And today I'm just going to do a real short video, but I'm going to explain to you how this thing is just insanely powerful and how you can make a lot of money by recruiting free and lower end members. Okay, first of all, I just want to explain. Let's say, for instance, let's take the $1,000 as our example. I'm going to look right here on level 5, $1,000. If you're a $1,000 member, you get $750, okay? So every time you bring in a $1,000 member, you make $750. Now, let me tell you something. You got a free member here, and he's a good marketer, but he's just, a little bit down on his luck and doesn't have enough money to join. So he comes in for free and he brings in a $1,000 member. Now this is where it gets real powerful, so tune in on me. He makes $25. Now remember I said the actual commission on that is $750? Now you take $25 away from $750 and you just made $725 from your free members' efforts. I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but I had the $4,980 day. On that particular day, my roll-ups, these are not even people, I didn't even know these people. They were marketed to by somebody else. Free members, $88 members, $188 members. They were marketed and sent to me, these roll-ups. I had on that $4,980 day, probably close to $4,000 of that money was roll-ups. This thing is powerful. It's just absolutely unbelievable. Get started today. BestEasyWork. This thing can put money in your pocket from so many different areas. Thanks for checking it out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.